In the spring of 2020, when COVID struck, DCU responded rapidly and established a COVID-19 Research and Innovation Hub, the purpose of which was to bring together the research strengths and innovation depth of the university to create responses, rapid responses to the challenges of the pandemic.
From conducting independent research to identify the most accurate antibody tests on the market, to developing low-cost tests for COVID-19 and other tropical diseases, the Hub is responding to the challenges in our healthcare sector.
With thanks to funding from the Hub and Science Foundation Ireland, we will be soon installing a prototype device to detect COVID-19 in the air in Beaumont Hospital. We'll also be installing a prototype device to detect COVID-19 on hospital surfaces in spring 2021.
Our research examines the experiences of 815 first responders who delivered frontline care during the first phase of the pandemic in Ireland. We identified many examples of good practice and also ways to improve the response to the current and to future emergencies. We've shared these with the National Ambulance Service, Civil Defence and Dublin Fire Brigade, where some of the recommendations are already being implemented.
By surveying 50 Chief Human Resource Officers, representing some 2.4 million employees globally, we've gained unique insights into how COVID-19 is impacting on the world of work and how those organisations that are responding best to the crisis are doing so. This is now leading to further research on virtual internships that will inform and support companies and students taking part in DCU's Access to the Workplace programme in 2021.
Our 20 PE at Home Facebook Live sessions during Ireland's first lockdown saw 20,000 people tune in.
The video resources show real families doing the Irish PE curriculum in ordinary homes. They're still being used by teachers and parents for homework and are available on the Professional Development Service for Teachers website and skullnet.ie.
Misperceptions, rumours and conspiracy theories have done a lot to undermine the scientific consensus around COVID-19. So in order to tackle this, we surveyed over 2,000 people in Ireland and the US, and we found that one of the best ways of helping people to correct their misperceptions is by using fellow citizens to report on the scientific consensus. I want to say thank you too to Science Foundation Ireland for some follow-up research on the COVID-19 online Irish Citizens Forum.
Science Foundation Ireland is delighted to support these three projects at the DCU Covid-19 Hub. These three projects are looking at things like the Citizens Assembly, citizens' response to COVID-19, monitoring COVID-19 in the air. And research and innovation is really key to understanding COVID-19 and to be able to manage the response properly.
I'd like to thank our partners for working with us on these projects, that together we're building a post-COVID world, not as it was, but as it should be and as it could be. Thank you.